Hello Techies, this is Muthu. Welcome back to my channel. I believe everyone will be fine. Today's topic will discuss about why the Power Apps. Nowadays, the business are looking for instant delivery. They are not ready to wait a long time, even 5 to 6 months. It is even not possible to construct the using .NET, Java, PHP, and any scripting languages with large scale. It takes time to build, so we have choices to switch low-code no-code platform. Local no-code platform is a powerful builder platform that helps to construct the applications with less time consumed based on your business needed. Typically, we have a plenty of choices to select tools like Power Apps, OutSystems, APN, Mendix, and etc. Now my choice is Power Apps because I have plenty of reasons like development process is very easy, provide drag and drop UI, develop your own custom component, and importantly, makes easy access across all the devices with responsive UI. Finally, it has support AI capabilities like form processing, text classification, predictions, and object detections as well. When kickstarting the Power Apps, we must understand the types and users. We have three options. Number one is Canvas, number two is model driven, number three is Power Pages. The canvas is closely depends with user interface. If your business nearby user interface, then your choice must be on canvas. Simply it is called in code first. Next one is model driven. It is completely depends with the data structure. If already designed a structured database, then your choice must be on model driven. Simply it is called in DB first. This is completely associated with website creations. We can't use large data manipulations here. Next upcoming videos, I try to post live example with few sequence. You can expect the actions like create variables, collections, gallery, components, data manipulations, CAD operations, bubble events, connect database and SQL Server. Finally, it is published. Thank you all.